Hello, today we're going to be cooking some Shahi paneer. To start, we're going to toast 1 cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 8 cloves, 7 black pepper seeds. We're also going to use 3 cardamom pods and 1 black cardamom. Now we're going to peel all the toasted cardamom and then we're going to blend this. This is going to be like a powder that we're going to add to our paneer later. So then we're going to add a spoon of butter. We're going to chop 1 whole red onion and then we're going to add 1 whole bay leaf. We're going to cut this much ginger and then we're going to cook that. After that, we're going to chop 6 garlic cloves. We're also going to cut 1 whole jalapeno. And we'll use 2 whole tomatoes, cut them into fourths. And we're going to blend this to start making our sauce. We're going to add our cooked onions and jalapenos and stuff. Then we're going to add 3 tomatoes from a can. We're going to blend all this. And this is going to be our sauce for the Shahi paneer. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. We'll also add 1 teaspoon of dried coriander. Now we're going to add the seasoning we made in the beginning of the video. We're going to add 1 big spoon of salt. And then we're going to add a few cashews into the blender. We're going to add 2 green Thai chilies. And then we're going to add this to our sauce. We'll add 1 really big spoon of kasuri methi. Then we're going to grind up a teaspoon of fennel seeds. And then we're going to add this to the sauce. We'll also add 2 spoons of yogurt. This is optional, but we're going to add some raisins. Now we're going to cut 1 whole bell pepper. This is just to add a little bit of crunchiness to our paneer. Now this is paneer. It's kind of like cheese, but like different than way. It's Indian cheese, I guess you could say. We're going to cut this into cubes, and then we're going to add some oil to a bowl. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and we're also going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix this and we're going to coat the paneer in this mixture, and after that we're going to fry it and give it like a little crust so it's a bit crunchy but soft on the inside. Once the paneer is done cooking, we're going to add this to the sauce, and then we're going to add the bell peppers that we chopped. Finally, we'll add half a cup of cream. And that's how we made dal makhani. Thanks for watching.